Ladies and gentlemen, how we doing? Matthews here from M&F Forex Traders. I hope you're doing great. I'm back again with another beautiful video for you guys. This is the trade forecast on New Zealand Swiss on the 30 minutes time frame. All right, so before we jump into that, I'd like to walk you through the buy setup model, what you're supposed to look for every time you're looking at the chart. This is for buy setup, where you have buy setup. So please stick around, make sure that you subscribe, watch the video to the end so that you're able to actually see what I saw on this particular setup, and then let's see what happens, right? So please make sure that you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section, hit that bell notification so that you get to be notified every time I drop a new video. All right, let's get it. So what you have to look for a buy setup is something like this. Remember, I always say you have to make sure that the market goes in either a short term or long term uptrend or downtrend. So right now, since this one is a buy setup, we want to see the market being in a downtrend, right? It can be short term or long term downtrend. Then after this, we'll have something like this, right? Okay, and then we have the break of structure right there. And then so this can form other lows, other highs like that. And then yeah, we can have market giving us something like this right there, and then another support there, goes up, and then we wait for price to come and break that level there, comes here, then we want to buy. All right, so bear with me guys, bear with me. This doesn't look good right now, but trust me, when it's done, it will look quite good. Okay, so I know, guys, the most setups that you've seen are sell setups, but even buy setup do occur. Okay, so this is what is happening right now. Remember, I said that the market was in a downtrend. So this is the low and then the high and lower low. So right here, this is my QML. This becomes my QML, and just reduce the font to like that. So apparently on this particular setup, I have a dual resistance QML. Good. Then at this level, I have a high and a break of structure. Okay. And you know, guys, basic market structure, once market breaks the recent higher low or lower high, that tells you that the market is due for a reversal, right? So we take note of that. Okay. So once that is complete, then you look at how the market is coming to you. So we've done a lot of videos on this. The market can come to you in a form of a fake out, in form of a diamond, in form of a compression. So the videos are on the channel. Check the videos out. I have a lot of videos actually explaining these concepts. And what we're waiting for is for market to break the structure and then come to our drop base rally supply zone. So we want the market to come and test our level like that. Okay, so this here is my drop base rally demand zone. Okay, this is a drop base rally, then this is the drop base rally demand zone. Let me just increase to 16 there. Okay, then right here I have an S1 is the first support, and then I have an S2 right here. S1 and S2. Therefore, this becomes my liquidity zone. Liquidity zone right here. So remember, support and resistance traders, in short, most retail traders, when they see this, they're looking to buy from this third touch here. And guess what? The market takes them out. Why? Because these levels have to be taken out for price to come to a fresh demand zone here, where we have more unfilled orders. Therefore, your stop loss becomes my entry. The stop loss becomes my entry. Sorry about that. Let me just try and fix it back. Yep, something like that. So meaning your stop loss will become my entry. So please don't let yourself actually be that. Don't be the liquidity guys. Don't be the liquidity. Try and identify the liquidity so that you swim with the sharks. Okay? Learn to swim with the sharks. Get the knowledge so that you'll be able to swim with the sharks. Right? So this is what we have here. And then the market created a higher high here. Nice. So our aim is to wait for price to break this liquidity. Once price breaks the liquidity above that below, then we'll enter right there, provided we have our confirmation, and we'll be targeting the fresh supply zone above there. As simple as that. This is all we do every day in the market. Simple as this. So this is the model for a buy setup. Very, very beautiful. Remember, always make sure that you have a previous trend, either short term or long term trend. Then after this, you have a QML, you have a higher, and then you have a lower low here. Sorry, I forgot to put the lower low here. So you have a lower low right there. Then after that, of course, this signifies a downtrend. And what tells us that the downtrend is no longer there is the break of structure. Once we have a break of structure, market continues to form higher highs and higher highs. After that, we have a resistance there. Those are equal highs, which hold liquidity. Therefore, price has to come and break the liquidity, grab the liquidity, grab the stop losses for these retail traders right here. After that, the market comes to my zone here. And guess what? This is where I'm going to execute from as long as I have my confirmation. Of course, there's no guarantee that this trade is going to work out. Therefore, I have to continuously do this over a series of trades. I know I'm going to be profitable, right? So I hope that was very clear. Very, very simple right here. Very, very simple setup. So let's get to the chart so that we see what I was seeing on the 30 minutes time frame. This is a very, very beautiful setup. Today is what's the date today? Today is the 10th of April. It's a Sunday. So the market will be opening very soon. This is around 21 hours. Yeah, the market will be opening very, very, very soon. Like in how many hours? Probably like 5 hours. Yeah, 3 hours actually. The market will be opening, and actually the price is actually very close to the level that we wanted to execute from. So we'll just wait for the confirmation, and then once we have our confirmation, then we're just going to actually enter into this particular trade. So as you can see, the market was in a downtrend right here. By the way, we caught this trade from here. We exited our setups from here. If you remember this trade, I actually explained on the previous post, or if you're in our private community and public community, you actually saw this particular trade. Actually, a nice trade. So what we have here, we have a nice downtrend right here, and then after that we have the QML, dual resistance QML. We have the high, and I have a lower low. Then we have a higher high that breaks structure right there. After that, the market dropped a little bit to give us a resistance, a support here, and then went up to create more higher highs. Then after that, we get to have another support right here. So this is equal lows. These are equal lows right here. Therefore, what I'm expecting is for price to actually drop a little bit to come to my zone here, my fresh demand zone around this level here. And then once the market comes here, as long as I have my confirmation, then I can actually look to actually buy into these levels right here. So if you look at this particular trade, this is like 1 to 11.6 risk to reward ratio. Beautiful trade. It's about 315 pips, risking about 24 pips. Very, 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 very beautiful trade. Let's see the number of pips that we are risking here. Actually 10 pips, 11 pips actually. Wow. Then let's see our target. Our target is about Yeah, it's about 118, 122 pips, about 120 pips, and then our stop loss is about 11 pips. That's a very, very beautiful trade right there. So you guys, I hope you actually found some value in this. This is a very, very, very beautiful setup. It's a textbook setup. We just hope that it actually works in our favor. Yeah, please take time. Don't rush into entering this particular trade. Wait for your confirmation. And if you were in our private community, we're going to take this trade with us as soon as we have the confirmation. All right, so guys, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, like the video, share with your friends, and let us know what you think in the comment section. All right, until next time, God bless you.